डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना बाकी है, तो आप लोग प्लीज़ अपनी सीट पर बैठे रहें। और इसी बीच let us now I would like to call our honorable principal ma'am, so please welcome on the stage for speak about achievements for our students. Please welcome, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए प्रिंसिपल मैम के लिए।
I would like to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you present here today for making our annual function resounding success. A special thanks to our dedicated teachers who have poured their hearts into guiding and nurturing our students, to the talented performers who lit up the stage with their exceptional skills, and to our supportive parents who have always been our pillars of strength. Your presence here today truly validates our commitment to holistic education and motivates us to continue. Thank you all once again for making this evening so special. Thank you.
Golden time for our students, and he was speaking about our students' achievements. Sorry, she was. Let us now, I would like to call on the stage our honorable manager sir. So please welcome manager sir and Shivangi ma'am. Now I would like to call Aditi Moria from UKG for Chak Dum Dum. So please welcome Aditi Moria. And this certificate was given by manager sir. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। This certificate to Aditi Moria. Please give a big hand once again. Please come on the stage, and this certificate is given by Principal Ma'am. Give a big hand for Sam Kamar from class 2nd. For welcome dance. Please give a big hand for welcome dance. And next is Inzamam Khan of standard 4th. Give a big hand please. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। Give a big hand for Inzamam Khan. Next is Syed Haidar Abbas from playgroup PG. Please welcome Syed Haidar Abbas. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए छोटे कलाकार के लिए। आवाजें नहीं आ रही आपकी तालियों की, जोरदार तालियां हो जाइए। And the next certificate is goes to Fiza Butul from class 2nd for welcome dance. Please come on the stage. Fiza, give a big hand for Fiza Butul. And the next certificate is goes to Gitanjali Maurya from PG for the performance of Jalwa. So please welcome Gitanjali Maurya. Performer is Harshit Chaurasia from class 3rd for welcome dance. Harshit Chaurasia, if you are here, please welcome on the stage. Give a big hand for welcome dance, Harshit Chaurasia. Medal is given by manager sir and certificate is given by both of them. Give a big applause. Next performer is Hamraz Fatma from LKG for the performance of Chak Dhum Dhum. Please welcome. Next certificate is goes to and medal is goes to Princey Maurya from class 5th for the achievement of Dandiya. Please welcome Princey Maurya for the Dandiya. जोरदार तालियां के साथ स्वागत कीजिए. And the certificate and medal is given by both of them, manager sir and principal ma'am. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Next certificate is goes to Marzia Fatma from class 2nd for the performance of Jalwa. Please welcome Marzia Fatma. Give a big applause for Marzia Fatma. And the certificate and medal is given by both of them, manager sir and principal ma'am. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए Marzia Fatma के लिए. Next certificate is goes to for his achievement Prince Soni from class 5th for the performance of army dance. What a lovely performance was. Give a big hand for this certificate and medal. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए प्रिंस सोनी के लिए. Next certificate is goes to Arunika Gawad of standard 6th for the performance of Qawwali Sufi. For the performance of Qawwali Sufi. Give a big applause for Arunika. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Medal is given by principal ma'am and certificate is also given by both of them. Give a big applause. Give a big hand. Next certificate is goes to Neha Bano from class 6th for the same theme, Qawwali and Sufi. Please welcome Neha Bano. Please welcome on the stage. Next certificate is goes to Ilma Khan from class 7 for the same thing, Qawwali Sufi. Please welcome. Please come on the stage, Ilma Khan. Give a big hand for Neha Bano. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए नेहा बानो के लिए. वाकई क्या लवली परफॉर्मेंस थी ये आर्मी डांस की जो प्रमोट करती है हमारी आर्मी को. नेक्स्ट इज इल्मा खान and the other was Pankhuli Maurya from class 5th for the Qawwali Sufi. Pankhuli Maurya, please come on the stage for receiving your certificate and medal. Give a big hand for Ilma Khan once again. Please welcome Pankhuli Maurya. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए Pankhuli Maurya के लिए. And the next certificate is goes to Ayat Fatma from class 3rd for the performance of child labor. Please welcome Ayat Fatma. ये भी परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत थी जिसके लिए इनको सर्टिफिकेट से नवाजा जा रहा है. प्लीज वेलकम आयत फातिमा. Give a big hand for Ayat. And this certificate is awarded to Ali Jafar from standard 3rd. Ali Jafar, if you are here, please welcome to the stage. Ali Jafar. सर्टिफिकेट एंड मेडल इज गिवन बाय मैनेजर सर एंड प्रिंसिपल मैम। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। नेक्स्ट सर्टिफिकेट इज अवॉर्डेड टू Haya Robab। प्लीज बी रेडी, बी रेडी। Haya Robab, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज। Haya Robab, जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए Haya Robab for the performance of welcome dance. What a lovely performance of welcome dance. Next certificate is awarded to Shreya Maurya from class 3rd. Shreya Maurya, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए Haya Robab के लिए और इनकी अचीवमेंट के लिए। Shreya Maurya from class 3rd for the welcome dance. Please come on the stage and receive your certificate and medal. Next certificate is awarded to Shariat Fatima from class 3rd for the performance of welcome dance. Shariat Fatima, if you are here, please come on the stage. Next certificate is goes to Aniket Maurya from class 3rd for the performance of child labor. Give a big hand. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए शरीयत फातिमा के लिए। Next certificate is awarded to Mohammad Jafar from class 3rd for the welcome dance. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए मोहम्मद जाफर के लिए। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए मोहम्मद जाफर के लिए एक बार फिर से। Next certificate is awarded to Sanvi Maurya from class 3rd for the performance of child labor. जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए नन्ही मुन्नी सानवी मौर्य के लिए। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। Another certificate is goes to for child labor. Please welcome Saras Vishwakarma from class 3rd. Saras Vishwakarma, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए सरस विश्वकर्मा के लिए। Put your hand together for सरस विश्वकर्मा। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। Next certificate is goes to Ayu Maurya from class 3rd for the performance of child labor. Please welcome Ayu Maurya. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए आयु मौर्य के लिए। Next certificate is goes to Arush Maurya from class 3rd for the performance of child labor. Please welcome Arush Maurya. And then Aditya Maurya from class 4th for the child labor. Please welcome Aditya Maurya. For the performance of child labor, please welcome Aniket Maurya. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए अनिकेत मौर्य के लिए। Next certificate is goes to Aliza Fatima from class 4th for the performance of child labor. Give a big hand for Aliza Fatima. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए अलीजा फातिमा के लिए। And the next certificate is goes to Ananya Maurya from class 4 for the performance of child labor. Give a big hand. आप लोगों की तालियों में एनर्जी नहीं है, जोरदार तालियां बजाइए। The next certificate is goes to Sakshi Maurya from class 4 for the performance of child labor. Give a big hand for Sakshi Maurya.
इधर देखो अच्छे से।
जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं साक्षी के लिए।
यहाँ देखो, यहाँ
एंड द नेक्स्ट सर्टिफिकेट इज गोज टू मोहम्मद मुअज्जम from the class of PG for the performance of Roly Poly dance. Please welcome Mohammad Muazzam. And certificate is given by both of them, manager sir and principal ma'am. Next certificate is awarded to Zohair Abbas from the class of PG for the performance of another dance performance, Roly Poly. Please welcome. Please come on the stage. जोरदार ताली हो जाए छोटे कलाकार के लिए। Next certificate is awarded to Ayat Fatima from the class of PG for the Roly Poly dance. Please welcome आयत फातिमा। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए आयत फातिमा के लिए।
आया इधर देखना, देख लो, इसको ले लो।
Roly Poly. Please welcome. Please come on the stage, Saeed Abbas. Give a big hand for Saeed Abbas. This certificate is goes to Muhammad Shaz from class 6th for the Ganesh Vandana. Give a big applause for this performance, Ganesh Vandana. This certificate is goes to Muhammad Shaz. Give a big hand for Muhammad Shaz. What a lovely performance. Next certificate is awarded to Sejal Maurya from class 8. Sejal Maurya, please come on the stage to receiving your certificate and medal for the Ganesh Vandana. Sejal Maurya, are you here? Another certificate is goes to Priyanshi Maurya from class 8. Priyanshi Maurya, please come on the stage. Give a big hand for Sejal Maurya. जोरदार तालियां बजाएं Sejal Maurya के लिए। जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं प्रियांशी मौर्य के लिए। This medal is given by principal man and certificate is given by both of them. This certificate is given by Ganesh Vandana. What a lovely performance. Awarded to Payal Gupta from class 8 for the same team, Ganesh Vandana. Please welcome. Payal Gupta, आइए। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए पायल के लिए। And the next certificate of achievement is goes to Ritika Sahu from class 7 for the Ganesh Vandana. Ritika Sahu. Payal takes the certificate. Ritika Sahu, please come. And the next certificate of achievement is goes to Samriddhi Maurya. Samriddhi Maurya from the class PG for the performance of Roly Poly. Samriddhi Maurya, please come on the stage. Another certificate is awarded to Sayyida Zainab from PG for the performance of Roly Poly. Sayyida Zainab. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए समृद्धि के लिए एक बार. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए सैयदा के लिए.
आउट थोड़ा सा
From class 8 for the performance of Ganesh Mandana and her lovely anchoring. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए अशरा के लिए. एक बार फिर से तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए अशरा दी का. Next certificate is awarded to Anamta Fatima from PG for the dance Roly Poly. Please come on the stage. Anamta Fatima. And this certificate is goes to Sayyid Ayan Ali from class 8 who is studying in Prasad International School. Please come on the stage. This certificate is receiving for the lovely anchoring. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए आयान के लिए. Next certificate is goes to Zara Javed from class PG for the performance of Roly Poly. Please come on the stage, Zara Javed. Zara, what? And the next certificate is awarded to for his achievements Rahman Khan from the class 6 for the Ganesh Mandana. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. From the class PG for Roly Poly dance. Please come on the stage. Hey, Anshi Vishwakarma from class PG for the achievement Roly Poly. Anshi Vishwakarma, please come on the stage. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए अंशी के लिए. For the performance of Ganesh Mandana. जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए. Next certificate is awarded to Ramsha Tawheed for class PG for the performance of Roly Poly. Ramsha Tawheed, please come on the stage. And let us now, I would like to call Shriyansh Vishwakarma from class 6 for the performance of Ganesh Mandana. Next is Anmol Sahu from class 6. Anmol Sahu from class 6 for Ganesh Mandana. And the other one, मोहम्मद फरहान फ्रॉम क्लास 6 बहुत बड़े स्कोर बना। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इन सभी कलाकारों के लिए। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए फरहान के लिए। नेक्स्ट इज सार्थक प्रजापति फ्रॉम यूकेजी फॉर द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ चक धूम धूम। सार्थक प्रजापति। नेक्स्ट इज माहिरा तस्लीम फ्रॉम यूकेजी फॉर द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ चक धूम धूम। फॉर लेवी डांस जोरदार तालियां हो जाए मास्टर कैन के लिए। गिव अ बिग हैंड फॉर मास्टर कैन। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए मास्टर कैन के लिए। सार्थक प्रजापति प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज। And the next one, Khadija Fatima for Roly Poly. Next certificate is goes to Zara Khan. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए खदीजा के लिए। Certificate is goes to Zainab from class 4 for the performance of social media. Please come on the stage. Please come. Next certificate is goes to Zaman Abbas from class 7 for the performance. Zaman class LKG for the performance of Chak Dum Dum. Humaira Khan. Humaira is awarded to Maham Abdullah from class UKG for the lovely performance Chak Dum Dum. के लिए नेक्स्ट ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड यूकेजी फॉर द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ चक धूम धूम। जोरदार तालियां हो जा रहा है। Next certificate is goes to Rayansh Moria from PG for the performance of Roly Poly. Rayansh Moria. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए रियाज के लिए। Please come, please. Next certificate is awarded to Divyanshu Vishkarma from class 3rd for the welcome dance. Divyanshu Vishkarma. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए दिव्यांशु के लिए। Next certificate is awarded to Shriya Moria from LKG from the class LKG. Shriya Moria. Please come on the stage. Shriya Moria. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए श्रिया के लिए। Next certificate is goes to Tejas Moria from class 6. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए तेजस के लिए। Next certificate is goes to Sayyid Gazafar Abbas. Sayyid Gazafar Abbas from class 6 for the performance of Kawali Sofi. Sayyid Gazafar Abbas, please come on the stage. Put your hand together for Gozampa. Next certificate is goes to Ashwani Moria from class 7 for the lovely performance of Army Dance. Please come on the stage, Ashwani Moria. Next certificate is awarded to Asad Haidar from the class MKG for the performance of Jalwa. Asad Haidar. Certificate is awarded to Mohammad Hussain from class 5th for the lovely performance of Army Dance. अरे तालियां बजाइए. Next certificate is awarded to Riza Rifat from class 7 for the performance of Tadia. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Next certificate goes to Ilma Fatima for the class PG for the performance of Jalwa. LKG. Hello, Shreya Moria. Ansh Prajapati from class UKG for the performance of Jalwa. For the performance of Jalwa. जोरदार ताली हो जाए. Next Anushka Moria from class 8 for the performance of Dandiya. Anushka Moria. Next certificate is awarded to Divyansh Moria from UKG for the achievement of Jalwa. This certificate is awarded to Aradhya Gupta from the performance of Tukur Tukur. I.A. Tukur Tukur. Next certificate is goes to Horitik Prajapati from class 1 for the performance of Tukur Tukur. Horitik Prajapati. Next certificate is awarded to Alia Fatima from class 1. For the performance of Tukur Tukur. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. From class 1 for the same thing, Tukur Tukur. Chitra Sheikh, please come on the stage. And the next certificate goes to Zainab Hanif from class 1 for the performance of Tukur Tukur. How many Tukur Tukur? Sashwat Moria from class 1 for the same team, Tukur Tukur. Sashwat Moria. Class 1 for the performance of Tribute Group. जोरदार ताली हो जाए। जोरदार ताली हो जाए शिक्षा मौर्य के लिए। Next certificate is awarded, and this certificate is awarded to Myra Fatma from class 1st for the song Tugu Tugu. जोरदार ताली हो जाए Myra Fatma के लिए। And this certificate is goes to Farisa Abbas from class 1st for the song Tugu Tugu. Mohammad Hussain Ghazi Abbas from class 1st for the performance of Tugu Tugu. Mohammad Hussain Ghazi Abbas. Next certificate is awarded to Ejaz Zahra from class 8 for the performance of Dandiya. Certificate of achievement. This certificate goes to Amina Tasneem. Next certificate Azal for Govind Raj. DOP का नाम कौन Azal का? कब? Next certificate is awarded to Pihu Moria from class 6 for Olympic trophy. Pihu Moria, please come on the stage. जोरदार ताली हो जाए। तो इसी के साथ हमारा जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का on the stage, all the stars for the photographs.
तरसता है मेरे दीदार को ये आईना में जायो ये तुम रात भर करना मेरी तारीफ मेरी जायो ये तुम रात भर करना कि मेरा नाम भी लेने से नसीबा बनता है।
मेरे यार का बर्थडे है, आज मेरे यार का बर्थडे है, यार का बर्थडे है, मेरे दिलदार का बर्थडे है, आज मेरे यार का बर्थडे है, आज मेरे यार।
भाई एक परफॉर्म कराइए इनसे भाई बर्थडे के उपलक्ष्य में एक परफॉर्म कराइए इनसे। हाँ गाना बताइए आप।
तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 ओ ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल सादा हाले थोड़ा साफ जा नहीं लगदा है ना वो तुम्हारी लंबी नहीं रखी है मुंडे यार ने है देखदा परांदा नहीं हो देखदा परांदा फिक्र तो लगदी तीनों एक बारी दस दो जी मैं क्यों शकीनो कल ही तू इटली तो आई मर जानी है ते पर्स तू पेरिस तो मंगाया वैलेंटिनो हाँ तेनू क्यों ना देखा तेरे तो की सिखा तेरे पे की लिखा हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 सोहणीए नी अख तेरी थी फायर अगर आ देखदी नी दाता शरीफा इत्थे कहंदी तू मच देसी ताही दिल करे लंदन ते पार्टी है वीजा साडे ਲਈ फ्री नी पोरा लगदी है जी स्टोरी तो ता बोरा बोरा लगदी आज तेरी सोहणीए सरीली नूरी वर्गी जदों लक हिलदा उदों ता लोरा लगदी हाँ मेरे ना दस दे कोई थां दस दे मेरी जान दस दे हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तेरा तो अख तेरी मंगे कंगना हुणे मैं बनाना मैनू दस तां सही जान मंग ला मैं ते तो जानवर दा आपे निकलूगी नी तू हस तां सही तेरे विच नशा पहले तोड़दा कुड़े सोहणीए शराब दा ता नाम लगदा साडे तो चढ़ाई तेरी बंद हो गई निकले तां सड़कां ते जाम लगदा हाँ गल मान मेरी मेहमान मेरी तू है जान मेरी हुस्न तेरा तौबा तौबा तौबा
जा
रात रात तेरी याद सताए रात रात जूली लीव लीव दिन करे किटदा कुछ जूली
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जगति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की, भारत माता की।